Do you want to know how to sign up for Medicare online? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through the simple application process step by step. Hi, I'm Shauneen Sullivan, founder of USA Medicare Plan, where we help people on Medicare find low-cost options for Medicare supplement and prescription drug coverage. If you find our videos helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment or question you want answered below the video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for Medicare online. The whole process for enrolling online is going to take about 10 or 15 minutes, and you'll need to have access to the internet. Before I go through the steps to enroll online, let's talk about who can enroll for Medicare online. This online enrollment we're talking about is for Medicare only. If you also want to start your Social Security retirement benefits, then you can apply at the same time you apply for your Medicare. If you already receive Social Security benefits or railroad retirement benefits before turning age 65, you'll automatically be enrolled in Medicare Parts A and B. You don't need to do anything or apply online. Your red, white, and blue Medicare card will be mailed to you approximately 60 to 90 days before your effective date. Your Medicare card will have your name, Medicare beneficiary ID number, and coverage effective dates for Part A and Part B. If you're not already receiving Social Security retirement benefits and you're approaching age 65, then you can sign up for Medicare during your initial enrollment period. This is a 7-month window that starts 3 months before, includes the month of your birthday, and ends 3 months after your birthday month. If your birthday falls on the first of the month, then your Medicare will begin 1 month prior to your birthday month. If you delayed enrolling in Medicare Parts A and B because you were still working, then you can enroll online for both Part A and Part B. There are also 2 forms you need to fill out and send in to Social Security to show that you were covered under employer or other creditable insurance. This way you won't have any penalty for not signing up when you were first eligible at 65. If you enrolled previously in Part A but not Part B, then you have the option to apply for Medicare Part B online using a special application link at ssa.gov. You can also upload the 2 required forms with your application that shows proof of creditable coverage. The first step to apply online for Medicare is to go to ssa.gov or socialsecurity.gov. Social Security handles all the sign-ups for Medicare, so don't worry that you're not enrolling in Medicare. You're in the right place. From the ssa.gov website, you'll need to create a MySocialSecurity account if you don't already have an account. Just go to the top right and click Sign In, and then select Create an Account. Then select Create an Account again through login.gov. Login.gov is your one government account for secure access to participating U.S. government agencies. Fill in your email and check the box to agree to the rules of use, and then hit Submit. You receive an email with an activation code to complete the process of verifying your identity. Once you have your account set up, then go back to the main ssa.gov page. If you delayed Part B, if say you were still working and had other insurance coverage, then I'm going to show you now where to go to get the forms you'll need for your Part B application. It's basically the same application as if you're applying for Part A and Part B when you're first eligible for Medicare or turning age 65. But this is where you'll go first to get the forms you'll need for your Part B application. From the Medicare tab in the drop-down menu, select Sign Up for Medicare. In the middle of the page, you'll select if you are already enrolled in Medicare Part A, sign up for Part B only. Here's where you'll see the 2 forms you can download and complete to be sent in with your Part B application. Now go back to the top of the ssa.gov homepage.
The next step is to apply for your Medicare. It's the same online application, whether you're applying for Part A and Part B, or just Part B only. To start the application on the ssa.gov website, click on the Medicare tab, and in the drop-down menu, select Sign Up for Medicare. Click on the blue button that says Start Application.
The next page brings you to the Terms of Service, where you want to check the box that you understand and agree. Click Next. Since we can't go through a live application, we'll show you the prepared screenshots from Social Security. This is where you can apply online for retirement and/or Medicare benefits. Click on Start a New Application, or you can also return to a saved application. You'll type in all the requested information about yourself in the next section. After completing this section, you'll get a re-entry number. Write this number down in case you need to take a break and come back to the application. For the Medicare section, you'll be asked if you want to apply for Medicare only and not retirement benefits at this time. Click Yes if you want to apply for Medicare only. If you also want to apply for Social Security retirement benefits, then click No. You'll have to complete additional information for the retirement benefits section, so we're just going to continue with the Medicare only application for this video. You have the option to apply for Part B along with Part A. If you want your full Medicare benefits, then check Yes for Part A and B. If you only want Part A, then answer No for enrolling in Part B. Enrolling in Part A only is for people that are still employed with group health insurance. The company will have 20 or more employees. Medicare will coordinate and pay secondary to your group insurance. Finally, you'll answer questions about any health insurance coverage you've had and the start and end dates. If you don't know the exact dates, then just use an estimated time frame. There's a box that says Remarks and Comments. If you're new to Medicare and turning 65, then you can leave this blank. Otherwise, if you delayed your Medicare because of other circumstances, then you can type in here the date you want your Part B to start. Now you can go through your application and make sure everything is correct. Check the box to agree and then click on the Submit button. You'll get a confirmation link where you can save a copy of your application. I highly recommend you save this. You'll also get a confirmation email from Social Security. A confirmation letter of enrollment will also be mailed to you in a few weeks. Then it takes a few more weeks to get your Medicare card in the mail. Once you've applied for Medicare Parts A and B, you'll want to look for a Medicare supplement and prescription drug coverage. I hope this video has helped simplify the steps for you to enroll in Medicare online. If you have any questions, please call or email us. Our service is 100% free and we're happy to help you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to watch our other videos to help you better understand your Medicare.